friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kay, I'm a professional home organizer, and I'm here to inspire you to live a more organized life. So today we're gonna do a quick spruce up of my bathroom, and while I was thinking about this, I was like, I should give a medicine cabinet tour because I don't think that in all of the time I've been making videos, I've done a medicine cabinet organizing video, and I know a lot of you have medicine cabinets. I think that we've lived in places without medicine cabinets, oddly enough. We've just had mirrors with some bathroom storage. So this time, when I moved, I actually have a medicine cabinet. So today I thought, what an opportunity to give some organization tips for the medicine cabinet and just maybe inspire you to organize your medicine cabinet if it's really messy right now. Again, we're not aiming for perfection, we're aiming for functioning, pretty good, and good for you. The stuff you see on Pinterest and on TikTok and on Instagram probably is not a lot of real life. Maybe some of it is, but not for everyone. So where I'm gonna show you real life, real dirt, real dust, whatever. It just needs to function for you. No big deal. We're just gonna be chill. The first thing I'm gonna say is the irony of it being called a medicine cabinet. Apparently this is not a great place to store your medicine, namely like pills, medication, supplements and stuff. I do have a couple supplements and I guess medicines that I keep in there, but the majority of my medications are in another place because apparently the heat and humidity, the frequent changes of temperature and humidity are bad for medications, make them degrade faster, make them not as effective. So that is something I'm gonna say. I know a lot of you have medications in your medicine cabinet. I don't think it's like the total end of the world, but that is the general sentiment, is that medicines should not be stored in your medicine cabinet. But I think that if they are, I'm not the medicine police, but I just need to say that. So without further ado, let's take a look in my medicine cabinet. Woo! Okay, I did not install this medicine cabinet and we are overdue for a bathroom update, but it apparently is the Hemnes medicine cabinet from IKEA. I actually found this out by accident. A lot of the fixtures and stuff when they redid the apartment are from IKEA. And I do like that it has a little shelf here, but I don't like that it can be easily cluttered up by stuff. So what I've done is I've used it to store my reusable makeup remover pads and a receptacle for the used pad so that I have some place to put them before I wash them. So sort of like a hamper for them, I guess. And this is a little tray that I use for these little wrist scrunchy things. And okay, I used to think these were really dumb, but they're for preventing the water from going down your arm when you wash your face, and these are really useful. They're dumb, but it makes my life a lot less annoying, so that's where they live. Okay, I'm gonna start with the fact that everything is pretty much in a clear bin to keep things under control. And the first thing I did was measure the size of the shelves. I actually have one wood shelf and 4 glass shelves, although I did think I put one away because I didn't need all of those glass shelves. Measure the depth and the width to make sure what I selected would fit. But let me tell you the logic behind the container. I wear makeup every day and I am at the age now where I'm caring a lot more about skincare. And so I have sort of go-to items that I use all at the same time. And if they're all in a container, I can just take, I don't have to like individually take them off the shelf at night when I go for my routine. I can just take the whole container. So I've got my Bioderma for when I'm feeling lazy, which is like almost every night actually. And then I've got my actual liquid cleanser, cleansing balm, which if you wear waterproof makeup, you know the struggle in getting it off. So sometimes I need that. And then I have basically my skincare, nighttime skincare products. I've got a night oil, some, is this like a lactic acid treatment? This is so good. It's really expensive, but it's really good. And a lash treatment. And I also have an eye cream right here. It makes sense so that when I'm done, I can just put it back. Bam. And it also makes it easier to clean my medicine cabinet when I need to do that. I could just take everything off the shelf and clean it that way. I don't have to take every bottle and thing off one by one. So in the daytime, when I'm getting ready in the morning, I have all these different moisturizers and sunscreens, and also a little hyaluronic acid treatment just in case I'm feeling like I need that. And I don't know what it is, but I don't always feel in the mood for the same deodorant, so I have I have a choice here. By the way, this deodorant was sent to me by the lovely folks at Wild, and they have my name on it, and it's a refillable deodorant, and it smells really good. And this container is reusable, so thanks to the folks at Wild. On the second shelf, I just have 2 more of those wrist little protectors from the water, along with the most incredible face cleansing microfiber cloths. I have a little contraption here to hold my door open because the door won't stay open, so just a little behind the scenes fun. Anyway, these are the makeup removing cloths by Melissa Maker over at Clean My Space, and they're incredible. It won't take off like waterproof makeup, but if you have just regular makeup on and you need to wash your face and get all your makeup off, these are so good, and you just wash them in the wash machine. And I roll them up and put them in this little container, and they look really cute. And in this little container, I have some mouthwash, some body lotion, some nail polish remover, and my ring cleaner. This is so old, it has a Bed Bath & Beyond sticker on it. That's old, but she still works great. In this container, I just have skin treatments like skin masks, little acid treatments, things like that I use every once in a while. And then this one, again, I told you I had a few supplements and some medication. I have Flonase, some psoriasis medication, and like vitamin D and stuff. No big deal. I just have it in here because I remember to do it when I brush my teeth. It's part of my teeth brushing routine, so if I remove it, I'm afraid I will not do it anymore, and I go through it so quickly anyway, so it's just there. And on the top, I just have backup items of things I bought extras of or have not opened yet. So you see I've got my second Bioderma up there. I always gotta make sure I have Bioderma. I go through that so quickly. And just stuff I haven't opened yet. So that's all the Backstock. Anyway, I think my medicine cabinet turned out really well. It used to be a lot messier, but now I can find everything, and everything's just so, I don't know, it's like really nice looking. I like it. If you're wondering where my hair stuff is, cause curly hair, ooh, girl, it's all in here. So I have all of my like combs, potions here, and my water bottle. It's very important for a curly girl. And here I just have all of my hair accessories. Like I have pins and ponytail holders, clips, bows, pins, bobby pins, things like that. They all kind of fit in here, and this is my hair accessory area. This drawer frustrates me a little bit because it's a really strange dimension, but this has been working for me for the last 3 years, so I don't feel, you know what, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. The other drawer belongs to my husband. Underneath my bathroom cabinet is actually, I share with the dog. So I do give my dog baths in here. So this is his dryer and his towels and some shampoo and stuff, his like bath basket. And I have some other stuff that I keep in here as well. I just have my period stuff, and I'm actually gonna have to go through this and figure out something because I got a new IUD and I no longer have my period. So I don't really need a lot of this stuff anymore, so I'm gonna have to reallocate a bunch of it. And I have a place for Backstock, and I also have a place for all of my dental things. These are just like toothbrush items. If you're wondering where my toothbrush is, that's a good question. Bam, it's here. That's fun, isn't it? I love that. So I think I'm going to go and organize my actual medications in another video. I think that this was enough for this video to show you what I've done in here. I hope it inspired you to organize your medicine cabinet. Just go through, take all the stuff out. You know there's a lot of stuff in your medicine cabinet that you are not using, or that's like old, super old. I know, I mean, I had the Bed Bath & Beyond ring cleaner in there. I still use it because it still works, but I know she's old. So I know if I have old stuff, you have old stuff too. So check the expiration dates on your medication. Check the, oh, I have a tip for beauty products. I know a lot of you know this, but if you don't, there is, well, beauty products, all of them expire. So how do you know when it expires, right? So you open your mask. This is a mask from Glam Glow, and you look for a little symbol. There it is, right there. And bam, 24 months, 2 years after you actually open this, that's when you need to throw it away. And you can find that little symbol on most beauty products. You can actually just throw them away also if they start to smell funny or the texture and consistency changes over time. That may also be an indication that beauty products have gone bad. Don't feel bad getting rid of them. And they vary based on the type of product. This one, I don't know if you can see it, it says 18 months on it. And this is the Peter Thomas Roth, like one of their masks, but I have it's a small one because I like to do skincare products, but not like be consistent about like masks and stuff. I always buy small sizes so I can go through it and then, you know, not have to worry about it expiring before I finish using it. And here's another one on my Good Jeans. This one is only a year, so I got to use this up in 12 months. I will. This stuff is, oh girl, she's a miracle worker. Oh, I guess I should have said what that is. That's for my sleep tooth thing with my mouth guard. That's what that is. I'm not gonna show you that. It's gross. Anyway, I thought I'd pop on here and give you some medicine cabinet inspiration. I hope it helped you. Question of the day. If you're organizing your medicine cabinet and you've cleaned out your stuff, what is the oldest thing you've found? I showed you, so you gotta show me, you gotta tell me yours. I already came clean. That's old. Let me know. Bed Bath & Beyond. When did that close? I don't even know. All right. I hope you enjoyed today's video and were inspired. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.